Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you a completely free method that you can use to share your iPhone screen with your Windows computer. The application that we're using today is called Let's View. You need to open your web browser and go to letsview.com to read more about this application and to download the setup file. This application is capable of many other features and it comes as a free version as well as a paid version if you want to use all the cool features that it offers. But for this tutorial, we are going to be using the free version. So after you've read a little bit more about this application, what you can do is click on Get Started Free to download the application. In here, click download and select your operating system. For me, it is going to be Windows, so I'm going to click the Windows icon. The setup file has been downloaded to my computer. I'm going to double click on the setup file to open it. Click yes on the UAC prompt. I'm happy with the default settings, so I'm going to simply click install now. Okay, so the application has been installed successfully. Let's go ahead and click Open Now. I'm going to minimize my web browser. Now, one thing I've noticed after using this application several times is that after the first installation, when you click the Open Now button, sometimes it does not open. So instead of waiting, let's just go ahead and double click on the shortcut to open the application. Okay, so now the application has opened up. As you can see, it is already recognized the Wi-Fi network that I have connected to. This is my home Wi-Fi network. So make sure on your phone that you've also connected to the same network. So both devices need to be connected to the same network. And in here, you will see your computer name. So think of this field here as your computer name. So the next thing that we need to do is download Let's View app on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so on my iPhone, I'm going to go ahead and tap on App Store. And in the search bar down at the bottom, I'm going to search for Let's View and click the search button. Okay, so this is the Let's View app. I'm going to tap on it to download and install. Okay, so the screen mirroring app on my phone has been installed successfully. Let's tap Open to open the app. And when you open it for the very first time, you will have to click Allow so it can scan for devices on the same local area network or your Wi-Fi network. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to tap on Let's View Talan, which is my home computer. So let's tap on that and tap Share My Screen. And I'm going to do Start Broadcast. So you have to tap on Start Broadcast and you should see your iPhone screen on your computer after a little while. As you can see, it has already come through. And let me just get out of this app. And as you can see, it looks pretty fast. It looks pretty smooth. Now, at the moment, you're seeing this in HD quality. Obviously, that is not free. HD and full HD, you have to pay for that. But SD quality is completely free. And look, it's still very responsive and you can pretty much do anything that you want to do with this when it comes to sharing your iPhone screen with your computer. So guys, this is it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. It's a pretty cool application considering that it is free. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a good day.